Alright guys, day one of the trip back up in Chicken. Got Emma down there. Yesterday was her birthday, so I decided to take her out hunting. We made it all up to the hunting area, but yeah, it's pretty good snow today. It was raining down below, and then as you get higher in elevation, it turns to snow. So got quite a bit of snow. Alright guys, we're going to show you our situation up here. Kurt's making some biscuits and gravy. Emma's over there playing in the snow. Turned 5 yesterday, so we decided to take her out caribou hunting. So we're up in the exact same spot we camped at the beginning of the month, September, which by then there wasn't any snow and it was just a little windy, and now it's snowing pretty good. So we're just hoping the weather clears up and then hopefully see some caribou out here. There's only been 5 shot out here so far out of 120, I think. So we'll see if we can get lucky. The sun's trying to pop out. It's like all the way up in there somewhere, but it's above freezing, so just a lot of mud. Trying to stay warm, have a good time. There you go. Now you just got to flap your arms and your legs. Good job. See, it's fun caribou hunting, huh? You get to come up the mountains and play in the snow.
You make snowing.
I'm not gonna make one. I'll get all wet. Super nice weather out here. Gotta love Alaska.
And the pity days. She's my duppy. That's very funny. You should try that. Goodbye. Can I take it? What button do I press? Goodbye.
So she's crazy, but stuck in the tent right now. Still pretty bad weather. So Emma's just chilling out here in the sleeping bag and outside making snow angels and playing with the glow sticks.
And snow!
So, gonna cook up some chicken Alfredo. We'll see how that goes. I'll hit you guys later. Alright guys, before I give you an update. Quit snowing. Still kind of windy. Still down here in this valley. Haven't seen anything yet. Pretty foggy, so tomorrow's supposed to be a lot better. Emma, she's only 5, so She was pretty tired from the trip all the way out here because it was like a 5-hour drive here plus like 3 hours up here with the UTV. Plus it's been cold and snowy, so she's still napping. So I know she's not sleeping tonight.
You want the pink or the orange?
I'll take the orange. Alright guys, here's what's for dessert tonight. Mountain Berry Cobbler.
Oh, this one.
Peaks Refuel. Still pretty crappy outside. Emma's got her glow sticks all set up, so she's loving that. Playing with those. So probably gonna get some
How
shut
bright
eye.
is it?
It's really bright, look. Blam.
Whoa.
Super bright.
I see the flashlight in there.
Yeah, then the people on the camera can see it super bright.
I
But
love you, Mama.
Emma loves you. We're gonna
Love you, Michelle, too.
But we're gonna try to get some sleep tonight, and then tomorrow's supposed to be clear, hopefully.
And we're getting
There's no more snow.
toys and a McDonald's. Toys.
There's no snow, so it quit snowing earlier. Just kind of chilly. It warmed up, so it's kind of muddy, and the snow is like slowly going away. But definitely no joke out here, so I'm glad we brought plenty of gear. Need to save up for an Arctic oven. That'd be sweet. Alright guys, update. It's day 2. Still pretty cold in the 30s. Got the tent set up right there. And then Kurt's side by side in his tent. No wind today, so it feels pretty warm. Got a lot of fog. And then right over there, Emma made a little mini snowman. So that's fun because we don't have any snow in Fairbanks yet, so. But Emma's having fun. What do you think, Emma? You having fun? Ding dong.
You're at the car now.
But there's her little mini snowman. She did a good job. But hoping the fog breaks so we can go scout. See if we can see any caribou.
Can't move it. Ugh,
Emma,
I'm stuck.
show everybody your giant snowball.
It's crushing my foot. Too quick.
He's just too fast for you, Emma. You're making a big snowball. And this is what happens when you go caribou hunting with a 5-year-old. Like Kurt said, you end up just making snowmen and snowballs up here on the mountain all day.
Oh crap, I can't move. I can't get away.
Can't beat that, that's funny. There it goes. Holy crap, that's still going. Don't go down there, Emma. Get back up here. Went down a hill. Alright, here's Emma's second snowball. She's going to roll off the mountain. There it goes. Oh, got to the bushes.
Down the highway, windows down low, sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above, valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight, from sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright, neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky as we pass by with dreams flying high.
Alright guys, we stopped over here at the outpost here in Tok, Alaska. Got some food, heading home. Rig's all tied down. So, see you guys back in Fairbanks.
Down the highway, windows down low, sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above, valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight, from sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright, neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky as we pass by with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight, from sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's a delight, from sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so